to follow. Jai Bala from cashthechaos.com is joining us. Jai, good to have you with us here. Coming to you a little late today. The IPL auction taking up some time. As Pat Cummins shows, there is more than one way to earn money. Right? You can win the World Cup. Well, jokes apart, how's the market looking, Jai? We are we're looking at new highs, and I mean the thrust is clearly on the upside. How much more?
Yeah, see, if you recall, when the market clocked in 457 on the 16th of November, I said the markets are due for all-time highs. But my objective was closer to 21,100. The markets have exceeded that, and the momentum is pushing higher. So if this same momentum continues, I think the target could be somewhere close to 22,500 for the Nifty. But there is caution signs coming from other sectors. So there is a little bit of a crossfire in the markets, I should say. While Nifty, if it can continue with the same momentum, I think the objective is 22,500, provided the Nifty Bank, which I've been pointing out, is vulnerable, and Nifty Auto, as of today, is also slowing down a bit. So as long as these two can keep up, I think we can maintain an objective of 22,500.
So if banks is looking cautious, auto is primed for a bit of a reversal, what can take the markets higher? Which are the sectors, stocks looking the strongest? Any trades that you would recommend?
It's the space and auto itself is still strong. I think, but the sector that hasn't lost momentum is reality, FMCG. So there might be takers from there, and Reliance, of course, is starting to push up. So these three may be the contributors: FMCG, Reliance, and reality. So that the push could come from there, and even IT is coming into resistance. So keep your focus on the three sectors I have mentioned here.
What about oil, Jai? Does it look like it's going to pop up here again?
Yeah, that's right. But it looks like it's just going to be a short-term pop-up, Nigel. And I think it's unlikely to, Brent is unlikely to cross 84. So, 84.75 to be precise. So as long as it stays below 84.75, the major trend remains down. And I would expect a push somewhere close to 83 and then turn down and make lower lows in Brent.
You've got two stock recommendations, going long on Orient Electric and short Hero Motor. Take us through the trades.
That's right. See, Orient Electric, is a relatively new listing, and it seems to be having a sort of 2-year cycle, too short a history to conclude conclusively. But from whatever data that's available, from 420, it's exactly half to 210. And from there, it's just reversed today. And this looks like, from a short-term setup, at least a bump up to about 290. So stop under 210 makes sense. And as I said, the auto sector is slowing down. So you might want to, probe a short, not exactly plunge it too much deep in. Take the shallow end, take small position sizing. Or if you're already long, we had a long on Hero Motors a few weeks ago for all-time highs. At least book those, book the profits in that, and keep a stop of about 39.49 for Hero, and look for a short-term drop to about 35.20.
Out of time, Jai, thank you very much for joining in, and with those trades counting down.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.